So you want to run a theme page on Facebook, YouTube or Instagram, and you also want to crush the competition and stand out from the rest of the crowd. And for that to be possible, you need to make your pages look as professional as possible. If you are looking to do just that, then you are at the right video. To start with, on my Instagram theme page by the name of Pakistani Gems, I needed a professional logo, for which I went over to my browser and I typed in canva.com, all the while ignoring the COVID registration message. Once inside Canva, I went over to the logo builder. And inside the logo builder, here you have all the templates that are available, but since I need a specific one that matches with the theme of my Instagram page, I exactly know what kind of logo I want. So I moved over to the search bar to see the logos that I kind of want, and here they are. So I scrolled down to see what kind of logo would suit to my Instagram theme page and what I like. So here was one that I think could be made into something really beautiful. So I clicked it to add it to my project canvas. Let's zoom it a bit, and here we have several elements. So this is something that we won't need, and let us type in Pakistani Gems. So this font doesn't really look great to me, so I'll change the font. I'll move over to the font section and I'll go with the Archivo Black. It's solid, it is also appealing. Now let's see what kind of additions we can make over here. If I click on the hand, it shows me the primary colors over here. If I click on the first one, I need it to match with the color of the Pakistani flag, which is green, so I'll go with the green part over here. And we need the reflecting rays to pop up, so going over to the second color, I'll try yellow on it, so it doesn't really catches the attention. Let's try red. So now it looks perfect in the sense that we use quite less time to make this logo, and it is quite visually appealing considering the amount of time that we spent making it. So let's zoom out a bit and increase the size of the logo, center it a bit, and now this is all ready. So we'll go over to the download button, and here you can adjust the quality. For now I'll go with the 500 pixel by 500 pixel, which would work quite fine, and I'll go with the transparent background. And here we go, we have downloaded the logo in a matter of minutes. So this is the logo, and this is how it looks on the Instagram theme page. And I hope I saved your time in learning something useful. And now if you are interested in learning about more time saving stuff, you can click either of the videos that are being shown on the screen.